Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. So let's get started. Imagine you're playing Toca Life World, and suddenly your character isn't visible anymore. What you'll need to do right away is go back to the home page. To do this, look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice a door icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. Doing this will exit you out of your current game and return you to the main home screen of the app. Once you're back at the home page, pay attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a restart button there. This is going to be the key to fixing the glitch. Tap on the restart button and a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, tap on reset. By doing this, you're refreshing the game and clearing out any little issues that may have caused the glitch. Once it's finished, just tap on the game again to open it up. Wait for it to load fully, and when it does, you should notice that your missing characters are back on your screen just like before. And that's it. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.